Moringa, as we all know, has been widely talked about around the world. It has become very popular and now a household name. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the wonderful benefits of the all-powerful moringa, though much has been said about it. Let us inculcate it in our diet to make a part of our lifestyle. Moringa, originally from India, Afghanistan, and Pakistan, has remarkable properties and is popular in many different parts of the world due to various reasons. It relieves the symptoms of arthritis. It prevents certain diseases. It protects the heart, it cures migraines, improves digestion, protects the liver against anemia, and improves circulation. Moringa is a popular herb that is also known as the drumstick tree or the miracle tree. Its scientific name is Moringa oleifera. It is being used widely due to its health benefits. In fact, moringa is said to provide 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 10 times more vitamin A than carrots, 17 times more calcium than milk, 9 times more protein than yogurt, 15 times more potassium than bananas, and 25 times more iron than spinach. 1. It reduces high blood pressure. If you are having signs of high blood pressure or you already have it, this herb has the potential of reducing blood pressure because it contains elements that help to prevent and reduce arteries from thickening. By this act, it reduces blood pressure. 2. It helps in the treatment of anemia and sickle cell. Moringa helps the body in absorbing more iron contents, which will help to increase red blood cell count, hereby treating patients with anemia and sickle cell. It also increases blood count when moringa herb is consumed. 3. Moringa heals wounds. It heals wound by producing more blood components such as fibrinogen, which serves as a mesh in wound covering. 4. Reducing kidney toxic levels. Moringa helps reduce the number of toxic substances in the kidney and body generally because it has a high level of antioxidants. 5. Diabetic treatment. Moringa helps in the treatment of diabetes by reducing the amount of glucose in the body. It should be noted that the reason you are having diabetes is because of the body resistance to insulin and sugar builds up in your blood. 6. Helps to fight bacterial. Moringa fights against bacteria because of its antibacterial properties. It can fight diseases caused by salmonella and rhizopus. 7. It builds stronger bones. Of course, anyone who is health conscious would have known by now that bones and teeth are made stronger by the action of calcium. Moringa possesses a large amount of calcium and phosphorus. It also contains anti-inflammatory substances that can help in the treatment of arthritis. 8. It protects the liver. Anyone that has liver problem due to drugs can quickly start a repair process by consuming moringa leaves. 9. Skin nourishment and protection. Moringa has been known to protect the skin and also nourishes it because it contains protein which helps to protect the skin from damage. It also helps to make the skin free from radicals. Another amazing fact is that it can also boost hair growth. 10. Cancer prevention and treatment. Moringa is seen to have extracts that can help prevent cancer development. It also contains niacinamide, a compound that can suppress cancer cells. 11. Treatment of stomach aches. Moringa can be used to treat stomach disorders such as constipation, ulcerative colitis, and gastritis. It also contains vitamin B, which helps in food digestion. 12. Emotional help. Moringa is thought to help people with depression, anxiety, and fatigue. 13. Heart care. Moringa helps to prevent heart damage due to the presence of antioxidants. 14. Healthy breathing and asthma. Moringa helps to reduce the severity of asthma and also gives better overall breathing. It opens up the bronchiole, which allows air to flow easily in and out of the lungs. 15. It prevents weight gain. Moringa prevents putting on more weight by reducing oxidation, inflammation, and stress. 16. Prevents skin sagging and wrinkles. Moringa contains vitamin C, which helps boost natural collagen production that gives your skin a smooth feel. Warning: It should be noted that moringa should not be used if you are taking other medications and should not be used by nursing mothers and pregnant women. The seeds can be taken when dried and the leaf can be grounded. Do you know that it is easy to prepare? This is how I prepare it locally. Gather enough moringa leaves plucked from its stems, then place these leaves into some big envelope and allow to dry under a shade or spread on the surface. Do not expose them to sunlight. This should be done for at least 1 week. Then blend the leaves with a blender into powder, or you can rub them together until they are turned into tiny shreds. How to prepare for use. Boil a cup of water, add some shreds of moringa leaves and allow seeping for 1 or 2 minutes. Allow to cool, and add a tablespoon of honey to sweeten. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends, and also leave a comment below that you have subscribed to this channel. Thanks for watching.